Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can hide your last scene on iMO. So before we get started, make sure that you're logged in and also make sure to watch the video till the end. So then let us get started. First of all, open up your iMO application. As you open up your application, the interface kind of look like this. From here in the bottom left corner you can see plus icon, so tap on it. As you tap on the plus icon, there is a pop-up. From there you'll have to tap on more. As you tap on more, on the other page you have your profile information, so from here tap on settings. Next you will be directed in the settings page, and there you have a multiple options, so from here you'll have to tap on privacy. As you tap on privacy, once again there are multiple options, so right on top you can see last scene, so tap on it. Right over here you can see that your last scene is visible to everyone. In order to hide your last scene, all you have to do is select on nobody and then tap on the arrow icon right on top. And that is how you can hide your last scene on iMO application. That is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, then make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.